Are you new to VR or Eclipse Creator? We're here to assist you in getting started. Begin by creating a collection. Collections are a way to group and organize protocols. Here you can create a new protocol from scratch, or you can copy and paste steps from your own protocol. You have the option to add and remove steps if needed. Switch to the drag and drop builder where you can select devices, equipment, and consumables that fit your purpose. Items can be placed and rotated to align with your layout. If you are unsure what an instrument is, check its description here. These icons indicate whether an object can be classed as movable or a dispenser. An item that is not movable is fixed in place once in VR, and a dispenser supplies an unlimited amount of items for use. If you cannot find an item, you can use the search bar to locate it. These dispensers supply an unlimited amount of items for use, such as the multi-channel pipetting plate. You can delete objects one by one, or delete entire protocols if you'd like to start again. Other useful features are the duplicate and transfer options. These allow you to distribute protocols through multiple collections. Once you are finished with your design, you can export to disk as a file. This is one way of saving your content. To reset your current protocol, simply export your current collections, delete all existing collections, and import the content you wish to use. Finally, turn on your headset, connect to the same network as the desktop app, and load Eclipse Creator. If the connection has changed to green, then you are all synced up and ready to begin training in headset. If you have any questions or need more guidance, just visit our website. The choice is yours with Eclipse Creator.